In this video, we're going to explore the Accounts Receivable section of the Finance module in Axolt ERP. This section allows us to easily view invoices, payments, credit notes from a single console. All of the information will be listed here within the Customers sub-tab. If we want to create a new customer, we can do so using the New Customer button here in the upper right. Just below the Customers tab is a search box, which we can use to locate a specific customer. When we select a specific customer and then look in the Invoices, Payments, Credit Notes and Debit Notes tabs, we will only see those which are relevant to this particular customer rather than the organisation as a whole. Let's take a look at an invoice. Here we can see information about the invoice, such as the associated order number, the amount, and the fact that this invoice has not been posted. We will need to do that before we record a payment. We do this by choosing the downward-facing arrow and then choosing Post. As you can see, the icon changes from a red No to a green Yes, and the invoice has now been posted. Now, when we click on the downward-facing arrow, we can choose Record Payment. We are now looking at the Customer Payments section. Here, we can see the customer balance, any available credits, and the available payment modes, which are check, wire, cash, and credits. We start by inputting the correct payment amount. In Payment Account, we choose which bank account we are adding the payment to. If we have a check or payment reference number, we should record it in this field. If there are any bank charges, we can add them here in the Bank Charges field. We can then check the checkbox and either select Save or Save and Post. The difference here is that if we only choose Save, we can return later to post the payment. Choosing Save and Post will complete both actions at the same time. A dialog box appears to confirm that the payment has been created. The payments will be listed under the Payments sub-tab. We can see our payment here, and we can see that it has been posted. Note that we can record a credit note and a debit note in exactly the same way. We would simply choose the relevant button and input all of the required information. So, in this video, we explored the Accounts Receivable section of the Finance module. Just as a reminder, we use this section to view invoices, record payments, and view or issue credit or debit notes. Note that the things we do in this console will generate transactions and ledger entries, which will be reflected in the balance sheet, income statement, and trial balance.